the angels.
Good morning.
Governors will submit every authority to your throne. And why are they carrying? Why are they making my academy?
Thank you.
The Shanamites. I love you, Jehovah. I love you. Why are they carrying?
You're
Thank
welcome.
you. Iguzona kelegi, Chineke guzona jagimo.
Iguzona kelegi,
Chineke guzona jagimo.
Imao, Imao,
Iguzona kelegi,
Imao, Imao, Iguzona kelegi,
Imao,
Unyamama,
Imao,
Unyamama,
Iguzona kelegi. The God of governance,
Olilanya.
the Shanamites.
You're welcome here.
That the sparklings of your presence is brighter than the snow.
Let me share this
No
video.
wonder your glory can never be seen. I give you my time.
Good morning.
Hey, prepare us as vessels
Thank
of
you for
honor.
being here. Just help me share this video.
The kingdoms will fade.
Help me share this video. Governor Eziokwu is here this morning. Help me share this video this morning. It's a moment and a time to speak the gospel of truth. Eziokwu, the preacher who goes about preaching to those on the pulpit, is here. The moment of rethink. Dear Pastor, good morning. Bishop, you're welcome. Reverend, you're welcome. Good morning. Larry Smith, you're welcome. Larry Smith, EK, you're welcome here. I see your comments. You're all welcome. Thank you. Help me share this broadcast. Share it. Share it. Imao. Imao. Iguzomne kelegi. Imao. This morning I am dealing on RNG miracle. This morning, that's what I am dealing with. Be here. Be here. The eyes of your understanding will open. Hope Okeke, good morning, member of the Shanamite Court of Justice. You're welcome. Governor Eziokwu is here. The preacher who goes about preaching to those on the pulpit is here. I am here. Nkechi Nyere. Elekwachi, you're welcome. Good morning to you all. You're welcome. Hope Okeke, Larry Smith, Ike, you're all welcome. Help me share this video. If you're joining me, just comment me here, share it, that I may call your name. And I want to start this. Steve Fire, you're welcome. Thank you. Tag somebody that knows somebody that knows somebody. If you're here, just help me tag somebody. I want to open your eyes. I want to make sure that your eyes of understanding is open. Udo de Regulare, Steve Fire, you're welcome. Thank you all for being here. My name is Governor Eziokwu. This morning, I want to teach on the lies on the pulpit.
The Bible says that the sparklings of your presence is brighter than the snow.
This morning, I want to open your eyes on the side of RNG. Some things would have been said. Thank you for sharing, Larry Smith. Chinasa Matthias, you're welcome. This man used to fight me here. Holy Ghost fire, thank you for being here. Ola Ryoko. Bam, you're welcome. You're all welcome. Abuchi, thank you, you're welcome. Osinaka Omere, you're welcome. Lolochi Edoka Akani, you're welcome. Thank you. Chuks Okore, I am fine, sir. You're welcome. Thank you all for being here with me. This morning, I want to deal on the liars on the pulpit. Liars on the pulpit. Liars on the pulpit. Luke chapter 17. No, Luke chapter 16. That's where I will start my message from this morning. Somebody say you don't go to church again because of too much liars. Thank you for being here. Luke chapter 16. Luke chapter 16. That is where I will start my message from. I will deal on liars. Liars. But I will quote the scriptures only. I may not be able to start reading them all, so that you can take your time and go to it. Pastor, if you're listening to me, this is not fighting you. This is putting you right. This is making sure that you are corrected. Luke chapter 16 from verse 10. Whoever can be trusted with very little can also be trusted with much. And whosoever is dishonest with very little will also be dishonest with much. Pastor, these lies started from the moment little was committed into your hands. From little membership, you wanted many. This is where you started these lies from. I will quote many scriptures. But I want to start from 1 John chapter 2. 1 John chapter 2. I will read it there, then I will start my message. 1 John chapter 2 and from 4. Pastor, listen. Bishop, Reverend, Evangelist, church members, listen to me. I am not discouraging you from going to church. But once your pastor repents, keep going to church. You will get the truth from there. 1 John chapter 2 from verse 4. The preacher who goes about preaching to those on the pulpit is here. 1 John chapter 2 from verse 4. He that saith, I know him, and keepeth not his commandments, is a liar, and the truth is not in him. One guy with one page here says RNG prophet. Blessing, Weke, you're welcome. Chai. Nimegi Ezurumoke Nimegi Adindun Nimegi Daddy Nimegi Hey! Oh, Governor Zioku. He that is above all. It is you. It is you. Nimegi. Ezurumoke Nimegi. Daddy Nimegi. Thank you for sharing. It is when you share that this message will go to them. I am not against the church, but I am preaching to those on the pulpit. 1 John chapter 2 from verse 4. He that said, I know him, and keepeth not his commandments, is a liar, and the truth is not in him. 5. But whosoever keepeth his word, in him verily is the love of God perfected. Hereby know we that we are in him. How can you be a true man of God and a true prophet, and you go as far as Ebonyi State to bring people who will come and perform as if they had fibroid? The eyes of your understanding, viewers, will open right now. Now let me tell you one thing. What I am telling you is something I have experience of. God bear me witness, this is something I have experience of. And I am speaking to you out of experience. Are you listening to me? Now, imagine a nama. Cow blood. Cow blood. Now, when a woman buys this thing, all those women they bring pharynge, if they buy this thing, I don't know if you know what they call iodine. Chemist people knows what I call iodine. You know what they call iodine? They will buy iodine, mix that iodine with little water. GV is also good, but there is what we call original iodine. Once you add little water to it, you will get the color of blood. Now, a woman will mix it with obaran nama, cow blood. Mix them together. Mix them together. Hold on. Let me do this. Your understanding will open. I just need you to be patient. Share this message with me. I will say a lot of things that will connect to your understanding. You'll be able to understand. A lot will be exposed to you this morning. Your pastor is watching me. So it's left for you to be here. Hello? Good morning, Papa. Papa, just give me some time to call you back, okay? I'm busy now. So, be here. Remember, I am not speaking ordinary. My mission is I want the church to correct some of these errors.
The Shanamite is here.
Now listen to me.
Sons of the great Shanamite.
That's cow blood. They will buy it with iodine. Mix it together.
The Bible says
They will mix it together.
and Moses was commanded by God. He went upon a higher mountain. The scripture says
They will mix it together.
out of his own grace was taken 7
And woman, those people they are calling to come and talk about that their period stopped 9 years ago. Now they will use that iodine. People go at the extreme length to prove something to you. Now, because this person, they package this person to come. Some churches today, these things will take place. Now, she go carry those things, put them for her pants. That pool of blood, she go carry them. I had to miss broken because of Facebook. And help me share this video. Help me tag somebody so that Facebook doesn't. What they do now is, once they see me on live, they begin to report the live broadcast. Facebook, this message is for you. This message is just to clear the understanding of our people, that they may be able to learn wisely on what keeps peace promoted in the society. So they go at every length to stop some of us from speaking. But I'll continue. This my broadcast comes only on Sundays. This particular one. So they will carry that in, put them for that pants. Because now only that lady know, she will come into the church. Now, you can date a lady for 9 years, even if she has menstrual issues and you will not know. So she can defend it anywhere, even if her family members calls on her and say, we see you for church. This miracle, this particular miracle is totally undoubtable. Okay, somebody's a question said, my female friend told me about this over 4 years ago. So this is true. It's true, brother. Now, because she's a lady, even her parents cannot argue this. That your period stopped about 9 years ago. You have not seen, if you never see your menses for like 9 years, you carry microphone, put for the lady mouth, she will confirm it. Even if her brothers are there, they can never doubt this. They can never doubt this particular thing I am telling you. Nobody can doubt it. So once she comes, the man of God knows the particular person who they have arranged for this particular thing. And let me tell you, how will she know this person she has never seen before on camera? How will she know this person in the crowd? Once this particular lady is packaged and sent to that particular church, her picture, the dress code, they will snap her and send to this man of God on WhatsApp. Because he climbs the pulpit without phone. As I sing very well right now, I sing worship songs. Just imagine this atmosphere. Phone now. He will be coming to the crowd. Then he will say, there is somebody here. Your name is Lucy. Lucy. You are from Abakaleke in Iza.
And I saw that it is you that is worthy. We are alive today.
Lucy from Iza, come.
Many of them are marveling, they are shaking.
That is when he could not dictate or walk into the crowd to see where this person is sitting. He may call name. When he calls name, many Lucy will come out. Many ladies as Lucy will come out. He will now use his intelligence to calculate the particular one he saw his picture. Maybe this one tie. That is where sometimes you wonder in a church, this person is not tying her tie. but she used the hair tie to tie over her neck or cover her shoulder. Are you listening to me? He will now point that particular one. You are the Lucy I am talking about. Are you from Abakaleke? Lucy will say yes. He will now mention the correct names of the sisters and the brothers in case if the relations are watching. Are you listening to me? Now, he will say, you, other Lucy's, you are blessed. You are blessed. Go back to your seat. You go back. If God had mentioned Lucy with her son name, God, the Spirit of God would have taken you to that place direct. Jesus said to, I think, Nathanael or thereabout, he said, while you were under the fig tree, I saw you. So you would have just walked straight and pick up the particular Lucy you're looking for. Why gazing Lucy? It is to bring out those Lucies in case if, because some of these people, they can't do arranging, be. You sat at the back seat. Help me share this video. Governor Zoku is my name. Now look at what will happen.
The Shanamite is here.
Look at what will happen.
Sons of the great Shanamite.
As he has called out Lucy's,
Among the angels.
I can ideologically look at one person amongst those Lucy's. I know the one, I know the particular person. That one is out already. I will now look at the other Lucy's and say, you, why are you not married? You know, when you look at a married woman, you will know. You will know. Now, to discharge others, I say you, I will leave that particular Lucy and go to another Lucy. Why are you not married? Things are very difficult for your family. I see marriage so difficult. She will say yes. You know those girls that because these ones are innocent and they came out with their clear conscience. She will say, even my sisters, I said, you don't need to tell me about you. I know you. Without pressure, anything I say, she will say yes. Now, if there is a little doubt, I will keep her aside and say, you wait. After giving one or two accurate prophecy, that is guessing. I will now turn to the man Lucy and say, you have marital issues, say yes. You are not married till now, say yes. Your name is Lucy, he say yes. From Ebony State, from his eye, say yes. The audience will clap.
Your son is here.
My audience will clap. Once they clap, for me to make that miracle look more unique, I am going to teach you deep things right now. The eyes of your understanding will open here before you leave this live broadcast. Just share it. Go to WhatsApp group. Don't be discouraged from going to church. Go to church. Worship God in the beauty of His holiness. But don't believe in certain abracadabra. The worst thing out of all these things is this. After that particular miracle, you will not see that person again. But professionally, sorry. Professionally, any pastor that is a professional will return that particular lady for testimony. Let's say in 2 weeks' time or thereabout. Now, for me as a pastor to make my pastors my assistants, you will be doing these things and even your wife will not know. Now, let me practice some of these things they do. Let me practice some of these things they do on this live camera. Let me practice some of these things. As I am singing now. Maybe I am on live broadcast and I just pick a name like Blessing Nweke. I will say, Blessing, you are an Igbo and you are not based in Southeast. Blessing, if I am lying, If I am lying, you that is watching me, now, if I am lying, type it here. This is how this thing works. Blessing, you watching me right now, you are an Igbo and you are not based in Southeast. Answer that one. If I have lied, tell me now. Help me, type. Let me show you how this thing flows. Blessing, you are from Southeast and you're not based in Southeast. You are married, you have a son. Type if it's a lie.
I bless members of the Shaddamite God of Justice.
You see how this thing works. Another person comment, let me show you how it works. I'll block this person who says help me. If you type it again, I'll block you here. This is not the place to scam people. Next person, comment, let me show you how this thing comes. Now, let me shock you also. This is how it works. Now, at that point, now let me also show you one thing you don't understand on live broadcast, live program prophecies. Love Ifunanya said prophesy. Okay. Love Ifunanya. Okay. Blessing said you are correct. Love Ifunanya, look at this one. Love Ifunanya, look at how the RNG works. Love Ifunanya, where you are now in Europe, things are not moving very well and you just left the country very newly.
Where is your power coming from?
Are you getting what I am saying? Things has not balanced with you. There where you are. And Love Ifunanya, as I'm talking to you now, because you are in Europe, you will not understand. Okay. Hold on. People will be going, Papa, go deeper. Hold on, let me shock you. I will tell you the mysteries, how I managed to know these things now. Let me look for another person and prophesy to here. I will tell you the secrets. I will tell you how it works. I will tell you how it works. Be here now. Love Ifunanya said yes, prophet. Ebenezer, oh. Ebenezer, thy stone of help, only you are my help. Ebenezer, be patient with me. I will teach you how these things works. The stone of hope. Today, you go get prophecy, Taya. Somebody said to me, hold on. Shebina prophecy you want. I will give you prophecy. I will give you prophecy. This one said, locate me, Papa. Love Ifunanya said, yes, Papa, I need my documents. Now so it be. I will tell you how I managed to know these things. Today, I am doing RNG prophecy here, right here. Comment, I will prophesy to you. Shebina prophecy you want. When I go see prophecy today, run. Nigerians are, RNG prophet said I need prophecy. I will prophesy to you. Somebody said I need job. I need job. I need job. Okay, let me prophesy to somebody here. There is another person here. Your name is Moses Onyedikachi. Moses Onyedikachi, comment now. Let me prophesy to you. I will show you how it works here. Moses Onyedikachi. Moses Onyedikachi, comment now. Let me show you how it works now. It should be a prophecy. I will give you prophecy here. Today, Chinasa said, Papa, locate me. I will give you prophecy, correct prophecy. Moses Oyedikachi. Now mystics you want, Abi? Moses Oyedikachi, have you stayed in Lagos before? Moses Oyedikachi, yes, you just commented. You commented before and said, locate me. Moses Oyedikachi, have you stayed in Lagos before? Tell me. Moses Oyedikachi, he said, God have mercy on me. Have you stayed? You have stayed in Lagos before, nothing works. Now this thing they make on they gather. You said I'm in Lagos. I'm in Lagos. He just commented I'm in Lagos State. I want to open your eye today. Today on a day problem. Okay, somebody say Sam here. Prophecy got also now. Okay. Wait, let me hit my music. So, be commenting, share this live broadcast. I will come back and he said I'm in Lagos. Moses, let me show you how they do it now. Things are not moving well with you, dear Obashi. Prove me lies. Tell me it's a lie. I have every mechanisms to do this kind of work. But I said no. Na lie. Comment here and I say na lie. I'll do it to 100 persons here. Ebenezer, oh, that stone of help, only you are my help. Ebenezer, Ebenezer, oh, arrange, I want arrange them for now. Let me go back. Nigerians. Moses Oyekachi said the great man. Now, comment in our comment. Aqua prophecy today. Okay. Now prophecy you want. See, I go later give you a certain secret about these things. I'll give you secret about these things. I'll give you secret about these things. Hold on, let me hit my music. Hold on. Just if you're intelligent, you will understand. Okay, so who is the next now? Who is the next? Who is the next? Okay, Uchechi. Uchechi. One Uchechi. Uchechi Nwokoma. You say you don't see me. In a challenge? You live in Port Harcourt. You're married. With kids. Am I lying? Am I lying? Uchechi Nwokoma, you live in Port Harcourt, you're married, you have kids. As a day before yesterday, one of your kids were sick. That lie? Uchechi Nwokoma. Tell me, if na lie, you tell me. Madam, now you, I dey wait for you. Now, oh yeah. Am I lying? Talk now. He said very true. She said very true. Very true, sir. Now this thing they carry you go church, go certain place, they go scam you. Because I sing very well. If I add this Acha store into it, if Ola. I'm giving him this MP. The new church is saying very true. How is your child now? I hope it's better. This thing now will be bringing people from different parts of the world. Okay, ambition. Sorry, for example, ambition. They will look at you and say that you are not the first son. You say yes. You say you are passing through certain illnesses on your legs. In fact, ambition, the last person who treated your leg, told you, Nika Bugia, you went to another person who started treating it, and only can bill will go up to 500,000. Now lie. Oga, prove me wrong, now lie. At least the discussion of 500,000, I was not there. I am not aware. Now lie. Oga, now lie. Comment here. Obrash can delete your page now. Oh, you're not confusing them mad.
Far away,
Stood an old rugged cross,
the emblem of freedom, and I love the cross, where the dearest and best, it was of sinners was saved. So I will cherish.
They will do their eyes as if they are sleeping.
See my trophy is the last I lay down. I will cling to the old rugged cross, and a change is someday for a crown. Hey, to the old rugged cross, I will ever be true. Each shame and reproach gladly bear. He will call me someday to my home far away, where His glory forever will share. Hey. So I will cherish the old rugged cross. Till my trophy is the last I lay down. I will cling to the and exchange this someday for a crown. Guinea County, Major Guinea County, oh, Major Guinea County, Major Guinea one.
So, welcome back to what I was saying.
On the hill, far away, stood an old rugged cross.
They will first put you in the spirit of worship. Emma, oh yeah, Emmanuel, he said you are the next.
We are the
You schooled in Lagos, Abi? But you are from Enugu. See, I'm not there. 15 minutes in Gabia. Emmanuel, you are from Enugu. Now you see they carry you, they go church. You are from Enugu State. I don't know why you are not married. I don't know the issues. Once they put it like this, they don't hold you. He will call me someday to my home far away, where His glory forever. Now to finish you, Emmanuel, to finish you, they will tell you, what are you doing with iron work? What are you doing with iron work? I see you see iron work, iron. Emmanuel, come now. Somebody should tag this Emmanuel who said is the next. Emmanuel, come now. What do you do with iron work? He had just commented. He said yes. What do you do? Either sell iron, or are you a panabita, or are you a welder? No, so with this now, with my voice of singing and the way I teach the Bible, it will deflect you. You will not know my source. With the worship on the background, you will become a victim.
I can never be ashamed. He's the owner of my soul.
Jesus Christ. Well, let me hit my music directly. These ones are recorded from the keyboard. Let me hit my music directly. This is how it catches you. Now, I was saying something before I say, let me prophesy a little. Now,
he that lives amongst the angels.
Watch how this flows. This is my music. I don't want to use it to mock anything, but let me go there.
No one is like unto you. The God that created Leviathan, which eyes have never seen.
Let it start officially.
I put my trust in you. To your glory, O Lord. No one is like
I'm here to teach you. Open your eyes.
Oh, baby.
Yeah, Bina. Oh, baby. Ebina, Obiamandi, Ebina, Ndundi, Ebina, Obindio, Ebina, Ndundi, Ebina. Now, can I open the eyes of your understanding here? Let me enlighten the eyes of your understanding here. Those things are fake. Say Governor Ezoku tells you these things are fake. Are you listening to me? They are fake. Now let me show you how these things work. Have you shared this video for me? Before I will enlighten the eyes of your understanding the more, let me finish what I was telling you on that RNG of fibroid. So once they give this prophecy, and many Lucy comes out, you will point that particular Lucy, the way she's dressed. Give a discharging prophecy to others, they will go back to their seats. And at the same time,
no one is like unto you.
yes, Mr. T, Dan, you can go ahead. You can go ahead and tell us. Or you call my line here now to tell us. You say you have experience also to share. You go ahead. You can call my number. Call my number. You know my number. If you don't know it, you tell me, I'll drop it here.
Lord, I thank you. No one is like unto you.
See,
The Bible says,
outside that one, I will teach you so many things this morning. Just help me share this video. I'll let you know certain things. You remember there's what we call the serpentine spirit.
of Pharaoh.
Serpentine spirit. It works. The reason why Paul and Silas, well, let me look for it in the Bible. Paul and Silas went to jail. The eyes of your understanding will open. Hello? Good morning, sir. Go ahead. Good morning. Governor Zoku is here.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning.
Thank you.
You see, how these people operate again, like this is what happened to me when I was about living in Nigeria.
Okay.
You see, then I went to this
Network.
very poor.
Okay.
When I get there, I thought, that came to see the pastor, So what happened is that the ushers, there are these guys working for the church. They asked us to sit down. They just arranged the seats for us. They started asking us. These are not pastors, so like church workers. They started asking us the problem. What is your problem? Everything. That kind of.
You will talk. They will write it down. Sometimes they move with recorder.
My brother, they were writing it down. So I'm at the point they rearrange us again. You know, someone say they rearrange us again. When they now rearrange us again, they now went in and let the pastor know, look at how it is from here to here. So
Yes.
when the pastor gets to a particular point, the pastor now said that he will not be able to see more people today.
They will move you. They will move you to the next day.
The next happens to be Sunday. So I didn't meet the pastor that very day. So I left. On Sunday I came. So I saw when this particular guy who interviewed me went to that pastor. Immediately he went to the pastor. He told the pastor something. The pastor just sit down. Pastor said, there is somebody from here to here. You wanted to travel. You was at the airport the other time, but due to one thing, they didn't allow you to go. But this time around, they applied. I laughed.
Mm-hmm.
I just laugh. I laugh. After the church, I left the church. I didn't go there again. You see? So, like what I'm trying to say, at the end of the day, when they rearrange people, they will go inside and let the pastor know. Look at the pastor will not start from the person with their clothes, whatever they wear.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
Because people came with a heavy heart. People came with a body, but they are not reasoning. When you're confused, when you come with a problem,
you will no longer be careful. Your intelligence will be down.
You will no longer be careful. That is, you will no longer be careful. I could remember the very good day my wife gave birth to. I went to work. My pregnant wife, called me that she had miscarriage. As I was rushing to the hospital, man, I was going one way. You understand what I'm saying? I was driving in the UK here. I was driving one way because at this point I don't even know what I was doing.
Yes.
You see, because I'm confused. So these people that came with a heavy body, the heavy hearts, in them. So when they come, they won't know what they are doing again. They won't even reason. They won't even ask. There there is what do you call it? Very good men of God. As a Christian, there are many of them. And I know them when I see them. But we still have a lot of fake.
Yes, sir. You're right.
There is another one. I will call that one now.
No. Don't call him.
Let me not call the name. I will not call the name, but that one, if he must say used to call number, he will call telephone number.